This Evo over here has been really cooperating with me for the past, I will say, 5 days since we put a new used replacement piston, honed the cylinder walls, replaced 2 exhaust valves, new piston rings, new ACL rod bearings, and we got good compression on cylinder 4, which is at 155 psi, and the rest were like about 165ish. But I must say, guys, I am very happy of the results, and having a compression with a little score of the cylinder walls, as much as we hone it as possible, this car just runs like a freaking dream. And I'm very happy that this car has not given us an issue. The only thing that we have to do is still do the injector flow, just to make sure that the injectors are not stuck or not anything weird. And I feel like this car deserves something since it's been running so good. We're gonna go ahead and install some nice things in the engine bay, and also we're gonna be putting a front lip on the car. Since the lip is missing on my car because it's on Jalen's car right now, which the car is in Vegas right now, I ended up picking up my old lip from my cousin. If you guys don't really recognize this lip, I had this lip since the day I got the car. So we are going to be putting this back on the car. I was going to order the same lip that was on the car originally, but being Hawaii is so expensive, I don't feel like spending over 200 bucks on a front lip. So this lip will do. One thing I want to do on this, I was to sand the whole lip and do a respray, but I don't got time for that. And the Island White meet is coming up very soon, which is the next day. If you guys are watching this video, it's probably at least 5 days behind. But I did pick up some vinyl wrap from my friend John, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get this covered. We have to pop off the bumper, so that way it's easier to get this thing installed. Put some new hardware screws that I got, and see how well we can get a vinyl wrap looking good on top on this lip. So we got the front lip back on the car and vinyl wrap on that area. Probably can't really tell far away though. It looks good to me, and I'll be honest, I kind of wish I had the other lip, but this will do for now. So we have all the titanium hardwares right here lay out on the table from the one and only JD Custom. And these guys were supposed to be the one going on top on Jalen's car, but she changed her mind and she wanted purple. So we're gonna go ahead and put all these titanium hardwares in my Evo. I already have the burnt titaniums on the exhaust manifold. As you can see over there, these are looking beautiful. And not only that though, the titanium hardwares, you don't have to worry about any rust surface. They're light, they look really good, and it's an amazing product. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Also, I do have a timing cover that I want to go ahead and put on too as well, because this one doesn't have, and I didn't bother putting the stock one on because I know for a fact that we're gonna put something more cooler to have, and it's a HKS, which we have HKS camshaft in it. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing all whatever the hardwares that we got for the engine bay. Take one last look of all mostly the crusty hardwares. JD Custom makes it real easy for you guys if you decided to do the engine bay hardwares. All the miscellaneous stuff right here is all labeled on top on the screen, so it makes it so much easier to know where the hardware should go, belongs. And here are the pictures with everything labeled. Ready to feel the 500 wheel horsepower in your life?
Yes, I do. Shout out to Kama.
Difference than a stock turbo. Like on a stock turbo, you can feel all the low end torque, but you can also feel like the difference between top and power.
Yeah,
it's such an amazing feeling at that blow out.
Yeah, sounds like a soda machine.
Soda machine.
Like a dispenser.
I think you're ready for a 62 mil turbo.
Ooh, yeah, don't build the bottom end and all that stuff.
No, you can do the exact same thing as what I did.
No way, I tried to avoid that. Oh, man. I think I'm ready for that. Well, the car feels like it just wants to go, man. heaven. That's crazy.
Must be nice, man.
It is nice, actually.
After feels like about a few hours, we got the rally our mud flaps dialed in to where we need it to be, and I must say this thing looks sick on it. Of course, without the wing, right, Landon?
It looks good, but bad design.
Yeah, but it was well worth it.
It is real worth it.
Now it's time to pull the car out of the driveway, actually see how it looks like far away. Dude, it looks sick. Wow. With those fresh OEM rain guards on top of it. Jeez.
Oh my god, looks sexy. It
was well worth it, all the headaches.
well worth it.
Yeah, you was about to give up on me.
I was like, screw this, man. No, it's really nice. Thank you, Jason.
Hey, anytime. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Dude, that looks so freaking sick. I'm in love. Look at this guy over here. Can't stop smiling. Dude, it matches.
It does.
Damn. How many times do you walk around the car already?
We're gonna do 10 more laps.
10 more laps? There you go, get your cardio going. I must say the car came a long way. Fresh paint job, new rally art mud flaps, fresh OEM rain guards, and not
through the quite high storm.
Yep. And not to mention, this thing is freaking fast for a high mileage car.
Yup. Take care of the car, take care of you, man.
Yep. This is how currently my car looks now after we put the front lip on. With some of the titanium hardware that we installed in the engine bay, we do have the cam sensor cover, radiator cap sticker from JD Custom, hardware from the headlight to the bumper, the reservoir to the AC line, tower mount, from the bow cover to the map sensor, and also on the throttle body bracket. Don't forget the ACD reservoir as well, fuel box as well. I think that's pretty much about it. So everything that we installed on my car and also Landon's car, I'll have it down in the description box below if you guys want to pick one of these up. Use my discount on JD Custom, will be JV Build. It saves you 10% off. Will also be in the link as well too. I'm excited for the future has come with the Evo once we get the car shipped to Vegas, and I'm gonna enjoy the car a little while until then. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Aloha, I'll see you guys on the next one.